Hello, myself is Dr. Praveen Bhandari, working as a head of chemical department in a KK Wagh Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we are going to understand the important difference between chemist and chemical engineer. Now the reason for selecting this topic is, while discussing with many peoples in the society, I found that there is misconception about the job role of chemist and chemical engineer. And I thought that let us share how the chemist and chemical engineer are distinctly different. I'm very sure, similar to my earlier videos, you will like these videos also. So let us try to understand how they are different. So the first question is, who is chemist? The answer is, the chemist is the one who uses the knowledge of chemistry for the synthesis of desired chemical. Now, the chemist uses the glasswares and typical laboratory setup for facilitating the reaction at a small scale and try to get certain desired product. So the various experimental arrangements are used. However, his experiments are limited to the laboratory scale synthesis of those chemicals. But when the successful processes which are to be developed, which are developed at a laboratory scale, are to be explored for the commercial scale manufacturing, or when the laboratory scale processes are to be developed on a commercial scale, then there comes the role of chemical engineer. So the question is, who is chemical engineer? The chemical engineer is the professional who develop laboratory scale process developed by chemist on a commercial scale. And the journey from chemist to chemical engineer is the difference in the approach. The chemist manufacture the chemicals on a gram or milligram scale, whereas chemical engineer manufacture the chemicals on a tons, million tons or thousand tons of the scale. And therefore, I consider chemical engineer is a applied chemist, or the another definition of the chemical engineer is, chemical engineer is the applied chemist, where the job role of chemist end, the role of chemical engineer starts. Now let us try to understand some more difference in approach of chemist and chemical engineer. Now chemist work in the laboratory, try to get certain chemical or new chemical by facilitating the reaction between two, but the scale of the operation is a small scale or gram or milligram scale. But when that is to be developed on a production scale or pilot scale, we require a specific vessels, we require specific equipments, and as the chemical manufactured on a larger scale because of their physico-chemical characteristics, we need to take extra care about health, safety and environment aspects. So some specially designed process vessels are to be used. We must facilitate the intimate mixing between the two reactants, and the process controls, the control of temperature, heat supplied, and the reaction between the rate of reaction between the reactants fed. So when all these aspects are to be considered, then we require the knowledge of some specific areas where the chemical engineer is different. He learned some different subjects, or he is expert in certain areas for which the chemist is not formally trained. And that's why the knowledge which a chemical engineer obtains during his course uses for the small scale process commercialization or the large scale manufacturing of the small scale process developed by a chemist at a laboratory scale to the commercial scale. Now, how the chemical engineer is different, let us try to understand by another example. Just imagine that we wish to carry out the reaction between A and B. to obtain certain product P. Now, whenever we carry out the reaction at a laboratory scale, our interest is just to see that whether the reaction between A and B yields the product P or not. However, when we go for the commercial scale manufacturing, our interest is how much is the yield obtained. What about the safety, health and environment aspects? How efficient the A and B are mixed, how their contact is brought out, how the proper operating conditions are ensured, how to control and monitor certain process variables. So, and in, after considering all these aspects, how to make the process economical by the optimization of the process conditions. And in order to address all these issues, the chemical engineer uses the knowledge of mechanical operation, mass transfer, heat transfer, reaction engineering, equipment design, process safety, environment technology, process control, economics for the successful manufacturing of the product P. And this special application of all these areas mentioned in the bracket is the distinct characteristics of the chemical engineer, and that sets the distinction between the chemist and chemical engineer. And I hope you must, by this time now, you must have understood the difference in the job role of the chemist and chemical engineer, the difference in approach of chemist and chemical engineer, and how the chemical engineers are distinctly different. To summarize our discussion, chemists work on a laboratory scale synthesis, whereas chemical engineers mainly deal with commercial scale synthesis. Scale up aspects are mainly dealt by a chemical engineer. The knowledge of safety, environment, health, in addition to knowledge of core subject, set the separate identity of a chemical engineer compared to chemist. However, the collaboration of both is a win-win combination for a chemical process industries. They must join hand together to have the successful commercialization of the laboratory scale development. I hope you must have understood the what is exactly the difference between chemist and chemical engineer, and you must have liked this video also. Uh, Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Praveen Bhandari Nandurdi. Don't forget to share and like it. For more videos related to chemical engineering, you may visit my YouTube channel, and if there are any specific requirements about the video on some specific topics, you may write an email to me on a bhandarips74@gmail.com. Thank you very much for the patient listening and watching the videos.